Welcome back to Home and Backyard. We're here at the Electric City Complex, downtown Scranton. The Home and Lifestyle Showcase is going on, and we've got a chance, this is Ed, to visit his manufacturing facility. They make foundations, and you can't have a decent house if you haven't got a decent foundation. So take a look at this. Well, here we are on the shop floor down here at Superior Walls. This is Kurt, who's you're the sales manager, yeah?
Sales manager, yeah.
And what better person to tell us about, it's amazing just the size of your production. I had no idea it was going to be this huge.
It is. It's a big building. We have quite a few forms here, as you can see.
All the walls are created horizontally, yeah?
That's correct. That's how all our forms are set up, and that's how we pour. And Paul, as you can see, all the rebar that we put in the wall system, each stud has a piece of rebar in it. The top and bottom bond beam has 2 pieces of rebar in it. And you can see the precision with the ties that we use to hold it together
and there's
keep it together.
Conduit where you can put all your electrics can go through it all?
That's correct. It's already set up, easy to light plumbing and electrical wiring.
Now what we're seeing is the insulation.
Yep.
Which is a heavy-duty polystyrene, is it?
Yeah, it's a 2.5-inch Dow product. This whole system has an R value of 12.5.
Excellent.
Stud every 24 inches on center.
Excellent. So, I mean, what we're going to see now is the concrete trucks. You mix your own concrete up. You control the quality of the concrete mix.
Absolutely.
And we pour it. We fill it right up to the top there, is it?
We fill it right to the top, and it's vibrated and screeded off.
And the vibration is to get the concrete to move all into the mold and bring any air up to the surface. So.
That's correct.
This looks like a window to me, Kurt, doesn't it?
Yes, it's a window. And Paul, as you can see, we've talked about the rebar over there on the other form. Here you can see how well this header is reinforced with all the rebar in it.
Absolutely.
Nothing's missing. It's all there. And again, the concrete will be poured in here and everything will be vibrated.
And just look at the number of bars you got in there. So that's not going to cause any problems in the future. Well done. Over-engineered, I would have said, yeah?
And another neat thing about Superior Walls is we can set and install in a day or less someone's new home, someone's new foundation.
All right, so you arrive at the site, you've got your trucks with all the different panels on. What happens then?
Well, we have a set crew. And the set crew will go around and make sure that all the corner pins are at the right location. They'll compact the stone, they'll screed it off, and then they'll start setting walls. And once they start setting the actual wall system, it's a matter of hours until it's finished.
It's becoming a desirable trait. So if someone's buying a home and it says one of the advertising features may be that this home has superior walls, it's a strong selling point.
Well, and that's because now the general public realizes that they can have a basement and use it because it's going to be warm and dry.
Well, we've come outside to have a look at a truck that's ready to go to a site. So this is a complete foundation unit, yeah?
Yeah, it's exciting. This belongs to someone's new home, the foundation for their new house. So yes, it is. And inside in the runs, we were talking about the back side of the form.
Absolutely, we couldn't see this. Yeah, now we can. Yeah.
Now you can. And this is where you would hang the drywall, right here on the.
And they're set, in this case, because it's so strong with the concrete, 24 inches, and the concrete wall's behind this, and there's little holes where you can run your wires, because no one wants to drill through concrete, do they? That's the last thing in the world.
No, it's all ready to go. Really.
And it's a thick wall, though, isn't it? My goodness, that's what, 10 inches?
10.25.
With all this rebar in here and steel and a good quality mix, you've got something that's going to last absolute lifetime, if not several lifetimes.
Absolutely.
Absolute brilliant stuff. And if you've got any questions,